Unlock the secret to boosting your online store's performance with Superstore's powerful theme features. Imagine effortlessly customizing your storefront to reflect your unique business branding with endless design options. The flexibility of Superstore lies in its countless design layouts, typography styles, and promotional highlights that resonate with customers. Now, let's dive into one of the strongest features, powerful product discoverability that transforms browsing into buying. With rapid filtering and advanced navigation options, guiding customers to their desired products has never been simpler. Live search enhances the shopping experience, ensuring customers find exactly what they need without delay or frustration. As you draw in shoppers, dynamic promotional sections become your ally in driving sales and captivating their attention. Featuring eye-catching image banners and sale badges, these elements can elevate your store's visibility and appeal. Imagine showcasing special deals and curated products right at the forefront, just like leading online retailers do. Transform your e-commerce presence today. With Superstore, your possibilities for growth and engagement are endless.